Start with a slip knot. And chain 99 plus 2 chains extra for the turning chain, or else you can start off with any multiple of 3 plus 2 chains extra for the turning chain. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2, this one, and one single crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Next round, in the first stitch, make one single crochet and 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. That's the first stitch. That's total 3 stitches in the first stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches and in the next stitch repeat the same set of stitches. One single crochet and 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. Skip 2 and in the next stitch repeat the same. One single crochet, 2 half double crochets. This is how it will look. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Skip 2 and in the next stitch repeat the set of stitches. One single crochet, 2 half double crochets. At the end you will have 3 stitches left. Skip the next 2 stitches and in the last stitch make one single crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. Next round. Now this round onwards we'll be working only into the single crochets from the previous round. This one. This is the first single crochet. We'll make the set of stitches over here. One single crochet and 2 half double crochets into the same stitch. Now skip the next stitches and this is the single crochet. Make the next set of stitches over here. One single crochet and 2 half double crochets. This is the next stitch, the next single crochet. Repeat the set of stitches over here. One single crochet and 2 half double crochets. Now repeat this and rest of the single crochets. This is the next stitch. Make the last set of stitches. Skip the next 2 stitches. This is the single crochet and in the last stitch make one single crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now just keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. We'll be working only into the single crochets. This is the first stitch. Make the set of stitches. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.